Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Angga. I'm from Bulukumba. I live Berawaja. My major nautical. Your picture are really beautiful.
Thank you. The will take a name after the ceremony.
What was the ceremony?
At the ceremony.
That's interesting. Were a lot of people there.
Yes, of course. All family members with guests with her.
What a nice custom. I'm curious.
Indeed, your pictures are really beautiful.
Thank you. There were the right after the ceremony.
Where was the ceremony?
At the ceremony.
Thanks. Interesting work. A lot of people there.
Yes, of course. I family members with girls were there.
What a nice custom. I am curious.
Indeed.